Hi, and in this training, I want to show you how we're going to be creating conversion pixel for your campaigns that you can be running on Google or anywhere else. So the first thing that we're going to do is come over into our Google Ads account. We're going to click on Tools and Settings, and then we are going to create a conversion pixel thing. Okay, so we want people that are going to be visiting our websites, and based on whatever these conversions that we're going to be choosing, that's how we're going to be tracking on seeing what's going on. So I'm going to click on that, and then now I'm going to choose a category. So basically, what am I doing here? Well, depending on what you're doing. So for my case, I'm promoting a GrooveFunnels page where I'm collecting leads. And because I'm collecting leads, this means people who are either subscribed or submit the form. So I'm just going to go to subscribe. Okay, I'm going to call this subscribe GF so I know which one it is. And then I'll use the same value for each, and I'll just have it at like $1 or euro, whatever it is that you want. It's just for your eyes only. It's easy to set up and understand the tracking behind it. Okay, and then for every one, we're going to do one time. Okay, only one per conversion. I don't want to add more for some reason or whatever. You can leave this as is, all right? And we are going to create and continue. We're not going to change anything else. We're just going to create and continue. And now I'm going to be installing this tag myself. And basically what I'm going to do is basically take this code, come back into my page builder. No matter what page builder you're on, the home page that you're going to be fixing, there's always an area where there's a code includes tracking, or it's the header area, whatever you want to call it. Well, you're going to be pasting it here. Okay, so that's where I'm going to be pasting that. But I'm also going to be pasting this on my thank you pages that I have for this. So let me just go into my thank you page. And okay, this is the one that I want to track. Again, I'm going to be adding it in the area. Hold on, there's another tracking thing there. That's from a previous one. So I'm going to add it there, and then click on save and publish. Okay, so that's one part of the section. And then what I want to do basically is also get this snippet right here. This snippet here is going to be only on the thank you page. Okay, it's going to trigger as soon as people come to the thank you page. So this is going to show me what has been tracked. So underneath the global tracking that I just added, I'm going to scroll down, and then right below that, I'm going to paste that event tag. Okay, and then click on that, and only on the thank you page. So that's going to be tracking my my conversions. So when I'm running ads and somebody signs up and they hit the thank you page, that's when this is going to fire up that pixel, and it's going to tell Google that I've got a $1 conversion, okay, based on everything that we've done. And we're done. So this is exactly how you would set up your tracking for you to run ads and stuff like that. So subscribe to GF is going to be part of this. And as soon as somebody signs up, we're going to be able to see the results. Now, just to make sure that this actually is set up properly, what I'm going to do is go to my site, infinityfunnels.com. And then if I scroll down, I have a tagging tool here. Like you can see this thing here. It's a Chrome extension. It's called Google Tag Assistant. Download it so you can see which retargeting tags are on there. So if somebody signed up, okay, this should show a third tracking tool, third tracking tag, where it's confirming that it's actually working. Okay, so the conversions, it should show here. If it doesn't, it might need some time to get the report out, but just to make sure, it should show at least one conversion, etc. Okay, so Okay, I'm not seeing anything yet, but I think it just needs some some extra time, maybe. But all the tracking things are on there. So let me just make sure I'm checking this again. So usually it's not verified yet because it needs about 3 hours after somebody visits the page. So it needs some time before it's going to show. But this, it should be fine because I already tested it with the tagging. So this is how you would track things, how to track conversions in your campaigns that you can be running. I hope this was a cool training episode for anybody that wants to learn how to use the tools that you have at your hand so you can set up your conversion pixels on your pages. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. So I wanted to show you 24 hours after the campaign that we did for the tagging that I did. Basically, I did an ad for it. You can see that there is 5 conversions already. Each conversion cost me €4, but that's okay because but I want to show you something as well. So if I go into my Aweber account and I go into my dashboard, you're gonna see that yesterday these 5 conversions are right here, okay, for my group funnels. So it is working, the tagging is working, and the ads running, and I'm gonna see results with this. But basically, I just wanted to show you that the tag is working, something that I'm using, and I suggest you go out and start tracking things so you see what's working, what's not, and stuff like that. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.